Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for a pretty wild morning on this Monday, the 21st of December, 2020 at 9:20 a.m. Central Time. As you can see, a big decline in the stock market. This is still 300 points off the lows. You were down nearly 800 points here. You're 30 off the lows in the S&P, and you were down 100 in that market. Gold has bounced back $30 an ounce. Silver market is still up 50 cents. It's showing its strength. Copper down 7 cents. What the heck is going on? And why is the dollar up 35 points? Well, I'll give it to you. You get the combination, and it's a combination, no one importance, of now we're going to get a COVID-19 bill. Mr. Schumer said it's done last night. Mr. McConnell said it's done last night. They're going to vote on it in Congress. Buy the rumor, sell the fact, possibility. What else? The COVID-19 situation has mutated in the UK, and if you get my newsletter, you know I've been writing about this now for about a week and a half, that there's a new strain, and the strain picks up the speed of the making someone around you contagious by 70%. Let's put it that way. Italy's already caught it. In Europe, they are shutting the borders down. No travel between the UK and other parts of Europe. Now, as they get it there, you do understand, about 2 weeks later, the US seems to get everything that happens in Europe. Why? I'm not a scientist, I don't know, but that's part of it. So now the market starts interpreting it in the energy market and says, wait a minute, are we talking another shut-in? Could this all go longer than we thought? Why not? I mean, if you're going to deal with more people getting it, do you have enough doses? Do these doses work? What works against this mutation? Don't know, all right? What we're hearing is, yes, while the speed of the COVID picks up, the infection rate, it necessarily doesn't change that that this particular vaccine is working. It is working from everything I'm hearing, but that took the air out of the market. So everything got hit. I'm giving you what I think is the logical explanation to what took place, the whys, the wherefores, who knows. There's another element. You ever hear the word crowded trade? The stock market's been going up against the upper Bollinger Bands all last week. Markets that go that way eventually roll, and that, you know, the way you correct a situation like that is you either embed, which you did not do in the NASDAQ, the Dow, and the S&P. You had it in the Russell. You didn't have it in the others, or you embed. You decided not to embed. All right. So the news of the day, the Chicago Fed Activity Index, it's lost in everything. It was an increase of 0.27, but that's a far cry from what it was in October when they revised it up to 1.01. That's not pretty. And I can tell you, living here, everything's shut down. I mean, that's what's going on. China kept its benchmark lending rate for corporate and household loans unchanged, but the word is that it said it's going to look, it might have to go back to a more aggressive policy of increasing interest rates. And there's that news that I told you about, this COVID-19 strain. So that combination certainly worked on the market. It's Christmas week. You have an abbreviated trading week. You know that's coming up at you. And traders, this is traditionally where volumes start falling off. I doubt you're going to see that today, given that I have been up since 3 in the morning watching this unfold. It was down about 300 points in the Dow around that hour. It all accelerated after that, and it's been accelerating and going back and forth. So that's where I'm at on it. You know, you get to days like this, you're going to want to know what to do in markets or what traders think. Not just in the financial arena, but what does it mean if the dollar bouncing here? What does it do to the soft commodities? What does it do to the grain markets, the meat markets? Well, we write about all this. Our staffs have been at this now all morning, and they're putting out the information already. If you haven't seen what a commodity firm like ours writes for commodity traders like you in all these different areas, why not take a look? It's free to do so, no commitment on your part. All you need to do is give my staff a call, 866-973-2077, or you can go to our website. On the bottom right-hand side, Free offers, sign up for it there, we'll put it in your hands. With that, I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you this afternoon at the end of the day market wrap-ups, and it's going to be an interesting one. You have a good day.